Contains duplicate. Detect a repeated value with a hash set. We need to determine whether any value appears more than once. Consider the array 1, 2, 3, 1. The answer is true. 1 appears at indices 0 and 3, so the array contains a duplicate. As soon as a value is already in the scene set, we can return true. Write the input array and initialize an empty set called scene. The input array is 1, 2, 3, 1. Start at index 0 with 1. The scene set is empty. 1 is not present, so add it to the set and continue. At index 1, the value is 2. The scene set currently contains 1. 2 is not present, so add it to the set and continue. At index 2, the value is 3. The scene set currently contains 1, 2. 3 is not present, so add it to the set and continue. At index 3, we encounter 1 again. The scene set already contains it from index 0. That confirms a duplicate, so we can stop and return true. Contains duplicate comes down to 3 ideas. Initialize an empty set of scene values. Check membership before inserting each value. Return early when a value is already present. O of n time and O of n extra space. Create an empty hash set to store values encountered during the scan. Traverse the array from left to right. Each value needs only one membership check. Check the set before inserting. If the current value is already present, a duplicate is confirmed, and the function returns true immediately. If the value is new, insert it into the set so a later occurrence can be detected. Hash set operations are constant time on average, so the scan takes O of n time and uses O of n extra space in the worst case.